Good morning children. Today we are learning about the Roman numeral system. Roman number system is one of the earliest system of writing numbers. We use Roman numbers in you have seen I think in clocks, watches and in our school timetable also we use these Roman numerals. Now today we are learning what are the rules to write these Roman numerals and what are the symbols we have in this Roman numerals. Okay, first of all we see the symbols whatever we have in this Roman numerals, and these are the symbols we have in Roman numerals. They are I, B, X, L, C, D, M, and their values are: the value of I is 1, B is 5, X is 10, L is 50, C is 100, D is 500 and M is 1000. These are the values we have. Using these symbols we can write the Roman numbers from now we are learning how to write the Roman numbers from 1 to 1000, but before that we will see some rules. To write the numbers we will follow some rules in this system. First rule is rule of repetition. Remember what is the first rule? Rule of repetition. And in this rule we can repeat the symbol at most maximum 3 times. For example, the symbol I, if I repeat 2 times, means we are adding the value 2 times. 1 plus 1, that is 2. If I repeat the symbol x 2 times, that is nothing but again we are adding the value of x, that is 10, 2 times, that is 20. If I repeat the symbol symbol 3 times, then the value is 100 plus, we know C value is 100. 100 plus 100 plus 100, that is 300. At most we can repeat any symbol 3 times. At most maximum we can repeat it 3 times. If I repeat I 3 times, value is 3. X 3 times, value is 30. C 3 times, value is 300. Maximum we can repeat only 3 times. And not all symbols. We cannot repeat all symbols. We can repeat only I, X and C. V, L, M also we can repeat. But V, L and D, these symbols, V, L and D, these symbols we cannot repeat it. Remember, only we can repeat the symbols I, X, C and M. These are the symbols we should not repeat. This is the first rule, rule of repetition. Okay, then we'll see what is the rule of addition. Rule of addition. Suppose if I return any small symbol to the right of a larger symbol. For example, if I write the small symbol right of the larger symbol, then this small symbol value is added to that larger symbol. Small symbol value is what? 1. 1 is added to the larger symbol 5. 5 plus 1, that is 6. That is, what is the rule of addition? If small symbol is written right side, the value of the small symbol is added to the larger symbol. We have 5 plus 1, 6. X, I. Suppose if I write like this. Then value of x is 10. We are writing small symbols right side. We are adding those symbols value, that is 10 plus 1, 11 plus 1, 12. The value of this is 12. Okay, and let's take example Lx. X is small than the symbol L, that is we have to add that symbol value to this 50. L value is 50. 50 plus 10, that is 60. Okay, this is the rule of addition. If the smaller symbol is there right hand side, we have to add the symbol value to the larger symbol. Now next we will see the rule of subtraction. In this rule, the rule of subtraction, smaller symbol is the left side. If the smaller symbol is left side than the larger symbol, then the smaller symbol value will subtract from the larger symbol. That is, smaller symbol we are subtracting from this 5. 5 minus 1. The value of 5 minus 1 is what? 4. This is how we write 4. Smaller symbol if it is present left side. For example, XL. Okay, another example I am taking XL. X value is small than L value. That is why we have to subtract x from L. That is 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 is 40. Okay. And then xc, for example, one more example, xc. C is 100, x is smaller. First, if we start with a smaller symbol, means what we should do? Subtraction. That is 100 minus 10. That is 90. The value of xc is 90. If the smaller symbol is written left side, that is subtraction. If the smaller symbol is written right hand side, that is addition. And here one more important point is, we cannot subtract the symbols V, L and D. V, L and D. These symbols cannot be subtracted. Which symbols we can subtract? We can subtract I, we can subtract X, we can subtract C. Only these symbols we can subtract, but we cannot subtract V, L and D. And I symbol can be subtracted from V and X. I symbol can be subtracted from V and X. And the X symbol can be subtracted from L and C. X can be subtracted from L and C. And C can be subtracted from D and M. This is how you have to remember. I can be subtracted from which symbols? V and X. X can be subtracted from L and C, and C symbol can be subtracted from D and M. This is the rule of subtraction. And finally, last point, if any small symbol is written in between two large symbols, for example X is there, smaller symbol is there in between two large symbols, then we have confusion whether we should add this I value to this X or we should subtract. Always remember, if smaller symbol is there in between two larger symbols, then the smaller symbol value we subtract from the last symbol, which is immediately following it. That is, X value is 10 we write, and then we will subtract this I value from this 10 following 10, that is 10 minus 1, that is 10 plus 9, that is 19, where the value of this symbol Ix is 19. Let us take one more example. CXL, suppose if it is the CXL. X is there in between two large symbols. C value we write 100, we should not change this one, and then from here we have to subtract this X value, that is L is 50, 50 minus 10, that is 100 plus 40, that is 140. What is the number value? 140. And there is in this Roman numeral system there is no symbol for 0. Okay, these are the rules we will follow while writing the Roman numbers. First rule, what I told, rule of repetition. Maximum we can repeat any symbol 3 times. And which symbols we can repeat? We can repeat the symbols I, X and C, M. Only these symbols we can repeat. V, L and D cannot be repeated. This is the rule of repetition. And rule of addition. What is the rule of addition? If the smaller symbol is written right side, we should add the symbol value to the larger symbol. And rule of subtraction. If the smaller symbol is written left side, the left side smaller symbol value is subtracted from the larger symbol. And we cannot subtract. Which symbols we cannot subtract? V, L and D symbols we cannot subtract, and we cannot repeat those symbols also in rule of repetition, we have discussed already. And the smaller symbol, if it is there in between two larger symbol, the smaller symbol value is always subtracted from the larger symbol, which is immediately following it. And we see how to convert Hindu Arabic numbers to the Roman numbers and Roman numerals to the Hindu Arabic numerals in the next video. Thank you.